Hello, in this video I'll be demonstrating how to install the Auber SW2 switch. So first thing, you want to drill a 22mm hole where the switch will be. Next, you want to get a screwdriver and loosen the two screws on the sides halfway. Then you want to take the top part of the switch off by pressing down it and turn it counterclockwise. You should be able to pop it off. Finally, you want to take the top part of the switch and put it in the hole you drilled earlier. On the other side, reattach the body of the switch. Then just retighten the two screws you loosened earlier.